Still got a few little items. Got to get the shelf down. What do you think? Getting there, huh? Got some items here. Won't be long until I have all that curtain stuff down and that opened up so people can see in here. And it's looking pretty good. You can see into the bathroom there. I just got a couple of little items left. I'm trying to hold my phone steady. All right, don't look so bad in here right now. Ceiling looks pretty good. Looks okay. The ceilings are okay. Ceilings look good to me. What do you think? Look perfectly fine to me. Yeah, pretty much looks like it did when I moved in. And go in here and look up. Maybe a spot here or there. Not much. This room here is the floor is yucky because it's been yucky the entire time. Let's see. What do you think? I think the ceiling looks pretty good. Just kind of going around taking a little inventory here. Just kind of, oh, that thing that goes on there is actually right inside that door back there. It came off one day. Found it laying in the floor down here all mucked up. But ceiling looks good. Got some bright lights, and some of these lights just never really worked very well. I'm gonna leave the air conditioner in there for tonight, so it'll be cool tomorrow. Because I'm gonna be working in the dungeon tomorrow. So, let me get in this back corner back here. Yep, it's getting there. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and turn some lights out and lock it up and come back tomorrow and do more work. I'm gonna put in probably a 16-hour workday tomorrow, just like I did today. I'm tired. I walked down here at 8 a.m. because I slept in this morning because I was wiped out. Got up at 7 and walked down here at 8 a.m. And I've been busy on it all day long. And it's getting close. Well, it's about 10 p.m. right now. Oh my gosh. All right. Talk to you later.